Atlanta comes alive once again when Lady Winsome presents her 3rd annual Boosie and Anything Appear on Saturday, November the 26th at the Party Room, which is located at 5481 Memorial Drive in Stone Mountain, Georgia. With music by Rika Vibe of Natural Vibe Sound, Bugsy Bam Bam, and Danger Marcus from Disruption.
She says our destiny, she get next to me. This a girl I want flex with me.
Admission only $10 before 1 a.m. More after. Roll out in your tens and thousands. It's the 3rd annual Boosie and Anything Appear. All presented by Lady Winsome on Saturday, November the 26th at the Party.
Baby girl, you look so good tonight. Good tonight. Good tonight.
A moment to remember, a night you just gonna have to remember. This one is an event you've been waiting for, so see you there.
Forward, 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 forward.